Okay.
So,
Controller, eh?
here's a thing for my son, William.
Hindi controller?
Secret!
New controller?
Open it. Open.
You open it.
Wait. Okay, open.
Inside.
Oh.
Wow! Wait, I'm going to turn it the other way around. So wow! Actually, it arrived so soon. So we expected it normally Thursday. Yeah. So it arrived. When did we command that?
After yesterday.
2 days ago. So within 3 days it arrived. So this is for the Xbox of William because he's always using this one. And we thought that he can also do a keyboard here. Do it with a keyboard. And Crazy Bob is going to help him install the new keyboard set with a mouse and a headset, and also this one, the mouse pad. Oops. And this one, where is he going to connect
It goes
this?
up. Okay. Let me see. Hey, are you listen to me? Hey, oh, maybe you must go to just inside.
Oh, you can, it's moving there. You move, but this one you still use.
L'habitude, là.
So there it is now. He's all set with his new keyboard set. So which is easier to use now? The controller or this one, the keyboard?
Ano?
Oh, you like both. But which is better?
I like them both, but I prefer this one.
Okay, so this is more comfortable for you.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very good.
And I'm using this this stuff and not this, because when I do this I can only jump and I cannot press this, but if I do this I can also press this.
Okay. I really don't have any idea about that gaming pad there. Okay, so I'm glad you're happy. He's very serious with his game. Okay, so that's all for today for our unboxing. So I hope you guys there enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.